Yes, so my people, I don't land again. I may be a guy pillar for the channel Build Nigeria. How not there, how not the quarantine, how not the manage self. It too much, it too tight. I understand. This time I want to talk to people who don't know how they want to start. This time we know they talk much about construction or how you want to take protect yourself or do anything for construction. We want to talk to the people who know they inside construction or people who they inside construction or people where they think how they want to take start after this kind period, after this tight time. How where they want to take start. We get few things where we want to talk, but before we go talk to people who want to start life, we also want to talk to the people who get better life, who get something for their hand, and some people who get for their pocket or get for their car boot or get extra for bank. I beg with the beg on make we try bring industry, make we try bring factories, manufacturing to Nigeria, to Africa. Make we try bring them home. Any machine, any tool where you think say person go take and survive, make we bring them. Because the way we will take survive for this life, make China no come colonize us after Europe don't colonize us finish. After 60-something years, they go come colonize us again from another part of the planet. We no one make that kind of thing happen. Make we teach our people how they take to operate machines, how they want to take use tools. Make we bring better things to our schools. Make we bring better things to our country. If you see better machine, and you know say, you know what much money for you, but you go give them one school. I beg bring them come. If you think better thing where you go bring the manufacturer, even though you know make the money, but make people learn how to use those tools, or those machines, begin the manufacture for one community, for one village, or anything where you fit teach people as we they teach them for here. Make you bring them up. Make we not come relax, say government gonna do anything. This channel not only to help people grow, help people focus, help people get to where they want go. So before we go continue, if today now your first time for this channel, I want today hear better thing, how you want take survive for this life, I want take survive for Nigeria, I want take survive for Africa. So long say you they hear pidgin English, you they hear every language you would speak for Nigeria or Africa. I beg, this is the best opportunity for you to subscribe. So number one thing where we go talk this time now, how you want take start. If you not get that opportunity, maybe you be the person where they sell bread, be the person where they hawk cashew nut, or be the person where they sell pure water, or be the person where they sell granite, where you be say, as this corona don't finish, you no get where to start. Church, you no go give you money, government no go give you money. Your friends sell things tight for them. You don't know where you go come get them. Wait now they tell you be say the economy go tight. When it be say the only thing where would they take get money for Nigeria, for Nigerian pocket, be oil, and the oil now they -0. You know say it go tight. Government go make everything war. You want start something. You want take survive, make you know the wait, make manna come from heaven, come for your laps. The thing where you want start now, the thing where they take, they look my face. If you be person where they dance and you sabi dance, if you be person where they sell something for the street, but you get phone where get camera, where get microphone, you can make money with your phone. If you be person where get phone, where get internet, if you be person where they like go wedding, if you be person where they like go burial, person where they like chop better or free food, you can make money with your phone. What in this mean? Be say those celebrities, those videos where they watch for internet, or those things where you they watch, say person they wear better shoe, or person sabi make better film, or we they watch movie, or you they watch person say, oh, this person a popular person. You can do the same thing, because if you they do them, they put them for YouTube. YouTube gonna pay you better money. If you gonna get 1,000 people will subscribe to your channel, can't get 4,000 minutes where people don't watch your videos. Now there you go begin to get dollar for your account. I tell you, no be lie. Make you not take your phone, they watch other people. They watch Facebook, they watch Instagram. They like other people, they promote other people video. Make no be say no go promote this one. No. I beg subscribe, make I talk them again. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like and share. Make we begin the grow Africa. The second thing now why I want to tell you, say where you want to take raise money. Now the thing where you no go even imagine. You be person where they sell pure water, you be person where they sell bread, you be person where they do anything. You know how to calculate money, you know how to calculate coins, you know how to calculate what you get for your tray or your plastic or whatever, how you take sell them or how you take get money from it. So long you know how to do multiplication, you know how to do plus and minus, you can raise money. Say you don't graduate from secondary school, you sabi read ABCD, you know how to do minus and plus, you can be a teacher. No be say you go begin to teach big people, or they teach for secondary school or primary school. you can begin the teach for kindergarten, or you can begin the teach for people house. Go people house, say them say you dey charge naira per hour. Say make you teach their children. If you dey teach their children how to read ABCD for 1 hour, their children go learn. So long say you know what you dey do. If you dey teach children how to read, maybe you be person where they teach for Sunday school, you go church, you go teach them for Sunday school, but you know say you go raise money from that. That's where you can raise money. Tell people say you go come their house, teach their children. Maybe the parents know they get time, or the parents know sabi do all these things. So long you say you know how to read 1, 2, 3, you know how to do minus and plot, you can become a teacher and earn little money while the time comes for you to go over and read, do something better. Maintenance. When I talk maintenance, the person where they clean compound. Where you be say you go help people clean their gutter, you go help people sweep their yard. You get many yard, you get many mansion, you get estate. If people know they do them, because everywhere or gutter they smell, you go pass, you go think say if I go tell these people make I clean this thing, they go fit pay me. And it not be one place, it not be 2 places. The thing where you go fit add a little bit, go inside, make you take grow, make you take starter. Be say if you get small keke or you get small bus, come put advert, say you be maintenance person where they sweep compound, person where they clean people shop front, person where get shop, you go for their shop, say make I help on clean on a shop front, or make you help them wipe the table, you go do and waka. Just say you be maintenance. If they get garden, you can use machine. If they say we go put the machine for up here, mower where they take more garden, or if you get the electric trimmer, we go put them up here. The electric trimmer are the one where they use electric or benzene, petrol to trim garden. Even though the scissors, you go get scissors where you go take cut flowers, or anything where you go they take do garden, or clean people house, clean people compound. That one another business you fit think say you want start. The one where we want talk now, the one where go need skills or maybe kind of experience. But it might be that you've been doing it before or you don't know how to start. YouTube is open for many things. You can learn a lot of things from YouTube. What do you learn from YouTube? Whatever. If you want to be a musician, teacher, you can learn how to teach on YouTube. If you want to learn how to talk, if you want to learn how to preach, all these things you can learn it on YouTube. If to say you want be handyman, DIY aya. So if you want to do them and you be person where you get skill or you get feeling say you want to, you like to do service people's things, where you go their house, change the electric wire, you want to do plumbing, do the electric plumbing, you do their stove, you do their sofa, you do their painting, you do their tile. All these things now repair job. All you need is just small tools. Now be the next video where we go show you few tools or some of the tools or main tools where you need to start a DIY business or maintenance business, which might lead you from maintenance to construction. So how you want to grow yourself, we're going to talk mainly on these videos and on this channel. If you want to start that kind of thing, you go get small tools. If you don't want to suffer to enter taxi or enter keke, or they drag their tools all the time, the easier way for you to do it is to get your keke, carry the tools, put them for box for the back of your keke, they lock them. Any tools where you need, hammer, screwdriver, saw blade, saw machine, screw machine, everything where you need to go there. Small ladder where you go tie for the back. And then if you add and small money, come put add for the keke. Say you be maintenance, you be electrician, you be plumber, anything where you want to do for house, you be person where they go call. Put your number there, big side. There's no way you know go start better thing for this Corona period. Another thing where go raise you money be say if you get car, but you want to sell the car now, and you don't get money to maintain the car or maintain and take care of your family, you might think of registering your car and yourself with Uber. Say if Uber call you, you get small business, you get something where you they do, but you know they give you money as it's supposed to they give you, and you don't get enough to maintain your family and your life. Say you go register yourself for Uber. Say if this Corona period now, you go take them to survive. If your business don't move as they move before, but Uber can call you, say person one drive go somewhere, you go close your business or stop whatever you are doing, if possible. You go do the thing. You go do the Uber finish. When you don't do the Uber finish, you go come back on to do your business. So that's the thing where we get. If you get any idea or any suggestion or anything where you think person fit take raise money, do after this period or during this Corona period, I beg put them for the comment. And if you never subscribe, I beg this is the best time and the opportunity to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Make you no come miss our future videos. Make you see you soon.